Hey NC family, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. It is finally here. The Natural Hair Planner for Moms, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to plan your way to healthy hair with the Natural Hair Planner for Moms. Here it is, NC family. I am so happy to be finally bringing this planner to you. It has been nearly a year in the making. Literally, blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this, guy. So I'm so happy to finally be sharing what I have been working on. Now, before I get into anything, this planner is available for pre-order today for just a couple of days. So if you're interested in purchasing this planner, click the link under this video in the description box and you will be able to purchase this planner. If you're a mom that struggles to stay consistent with your child or even your own hair care, this planner is for you. It's going to literally help you succeed on this journey and most importantly stay on track so that you are consistently being consistent and achieving those hair goals I know you want to achieve for your child. So the first page literally for you to just write who the planner belongs to, and then going on to the next page is just a little introduction about me, why I started creating or why I created this planner for you. I speak a little bit about my journey and also what you're going to achieve by using this planner. And then the next page, I go into detail about my 5-stage success path. Now, this success path is your 5-stage roadmap to a successful natural hair journey for you and your child. So each stage of the success path will help you get a step closer to achieving your healthy hair goals for yourself or your child. Now, this is the same success path I follow to help myself, my children, my clients, the mothers in my membership achieve results. So this is a proven success path that's going to get you from where you are to where you want to be. Trust me, this success path works. Now, this success path basically covers 5 stages, as I mentioned. So stage 1, I'm going to help you identify your child's hair type. Stage 2, I'm going to help you identify the types of products, the product types you need in your child's regime. I'm also going to help you identify product ingredients, so the ingredients that could be causing your child's hair to dry out. Stage 4, the regime. So I'm going to give you a sample regime. Yes, you heard right. You're going to have a sample regime that's going to help you create an effective regime for your child's hair and even your hair. And in stage 5, it's the track your progress and consistency stage. I'm going to break it down for you, show you how to track your progress and how to most importantly stay consistent. The next page is a space for you to write the hair goals you have for your child, your children, or even for yourself. You know, when the vision, the goal is written, it is visible and is more likely for you to achieve it. And then I have the length check section, which is going to help you identify your child's current hair length. So then on the next page, this is the page where we get to learn about your crown or your child's crown or your children's crown. It can be used for more than one person. So here is where you're going to put obviously your name, the date, your hair type, your last trim, your hair length using the length check in the previous page. So this is going to be all your essential information about your child's hair or your hair. You're going to record it all here. And then on the next page we have progress pictures. Now it's so important having progress pictures. It helps you to know if you're on track, how your child's hair is progressing. Here you get a chance to stick pictures here with dates, so you can look back in 3 or 6 months time and actually see if your little one has made any progress. And of course, if you're using this planner, they will be making a lot of progress, so this is your space to track that all. And of course, you can use this planner for more than one person, so I've given you extra pages to do this. So on this page, this is the page that you use to write down the types of products, so the product types you need by age. Once you have completed a success path, you will know what to put down here for your product types and the purpose of the product type. And again, you can track this for more than one person. But as I mentioned, going through a success path in the beginning is going to help you fill this out. So on the next page, this is where you're going to make a note of your current or future staple products. So the products that you really love for your hair or your child's hair. So on this page, this is what you're going to use to make notes on your child, your children's regime. So once you've been through the success path and you know and understand how to create a regime, and you've had a look at the sample regime, you know exactly what to write on this page. So now on this page is our undated weekly regime tracker. So on this tracker, you can track what you're doing on wash day. For moisturizing, you can track it on this page, and you can also track it for more than one person. So you basically can color in each dot to track progress, or if it's for more than one person, you can half color a dot, for example. But basically you can use this spread to track more than one person's regime for that week. Did anything happen that week? You can track it there. Did it not happen? You'll be able to see it from referring back to it that you didn't do anything that week, which would be very naughty. But you can track it here. So on this spread, you can use it to make additional notes for that week. You can use it to track the products that you use for that week, your favorite combinations, for example, what products you want to try next. You can also use this to check the moisture retention for that week for your child's hair, and also to track what you've actually learned that week too. So on this undated monthly product tracker, you can use it to track the products that you've used. So new products, for example, you can write the product name, the price of the product, expiry date, and actually rate the product as well out of 5 stars. You can also use it to track how much you spent for that month, which is going to be interesting for those product junkies, and then also to track the ingredients of the products as well, so you get to know what your little one's hair likes and dislikes. But you can use this every month to track the products that you're actually testing or trying for that particular month. And then on this undated monthly calendar, you can use this spread to help you plan ahead, keep track of any hair care days for your child, any events, any hair appointments that are taking place that month. This will also help to give you a clear view of your days, so you can plan out the week using a weekly spread, for example. And then finally, towards the back, you have aligned note pages for taking notes. So that's the inside of the Natural Hair Planner for Moms. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, pre-orders have started. Don't waste any time or you're going to be sorry. So click the link under this video to be able to purchase your copy. Honestly, guys, I cannot wait for you to get your copy, and I cannot wait to hear your feedback as well. So guys, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, like, share with anyone you feel may benefit from watching, or anyone you feel may need a copy of this planner. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.